yeah, it's scary when you see someone with one.
Here's your birthday present. Shield cell here. Shield cell here.
Got 4 in a battery, so it's good.
Death box here.
Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
Helmet here. Standard stock here. Level 3.
How do you get up there? The Pathfinder, maybe? Fuck. Can't get up there.
Recharging
Shit,
my
zone's coming.
shields.
Go! I got you guys. We got the drone. Good.
Standard stock here. Level 3.
I got one. TY. Next zone? Dude, we gotta have a win today. We had some crazy wins. Was it Monday? I think it was. That was dope. Hey, what's up, Fleb? Oh, good man.
Taking a moment to heal.
How's that guy's here?
I think someone's been here.
Ultimate accelerant here.
That's what it sounds like.
Peacekeeper here.
Backpack here. Level 2.
Maybe just our footsteps. That's good, pleb. It's good. That's all we want to hear, man. Oh, there's 2! You guys are too kind.
R99 here.
Shotgun ammo here.
Thanks. We need to get that purple armor. Classy got some. Purple or gold, obviously. Would be nice. Could probably use a... Dude, I'm hearing things.
Helmet here.
Kill me.
Level 2.
74% on the super. Was it a good day, pleb, or was it like a whew, what a shit day?
New kill leader.
Hopefully it's been good.
Watch for them.
And if it hasn't been good, then hopefully we can turn that around and make it better. In that right, chat. Go turn those frowns upside down.
Heavy ammo here.
Oh, I could totally
I need it.
use that. I feel like that would be probably one of the major requirements for the R99. Can't have day surgery? Oh shit, really? She okay? Oh no.
Triple peacekeeper here.
Sucks, dude. Hopefully it went well. And now I'm feeling fine. Ammo situation. I'm not going to use my ultimate accelerant when it's over like 80% because it's kind of a waste. So I don't want to push too far because I'm about to pop it. Chill here for a second. Long story short, doing everything possible to try and have some babies. Oh, I see. Okay. That's fair. That's fair.
Come and get your birthday present.
I didn't know there was surgeries. I don't know shit about that because I'm not really into it, but best of luck. I hope it works out for you guys. Good luck. Alright, just need to get some for woof, waist crack. IVF process, very draining and hard and expensive. Ah, right. I have heard of that. I didn't know it was a surgery.
Enemy spot. Hostile close.
That's really far away. I don't have the scoops.
Already inside.
Oh, really, Ellie? No shit. Can't climb that. God damn it.
Attention.
Right.
The kill leader has been eliminated.
Sniper stock here. Level 3.
Care package package being delivered.
Oh, dude, of course. I
Heads
care
up.
about you guys.
Care package
I mean, we hang out on like a daily basis. Like it's not a one-way street. I want to know shit about you guys. I can't guarantee that I'll remember every tiny detail because there's one of me and there's a lot of you guys. But dude, I try my best.